check. Good afternoon. So I will be showing a basic project with Laravel and Vue.js. So first of all, we need to run npm run watch. Then the next will be we're going to run our Laravel project. Alright, so for this, let me visit the site. Okay, we have Laravel mixed here. So when we try to visit the book, the function is just you can create a new book like Ulnarium Bini and Kalang Ginto. Then the rest of the description will be just basic rubbish data. For this, once you click submit, you can see here that we have a successful status 201. So if we're going to click books, so here are all of our books. So if we're going to delete it, there will be a prompt. Basically, if you click cancel, walang mangyayari. If you click OK, alright, data has been deleted. Okay, so let's create another data again. Something tinker. Got here factory book class. Then let's create at least 10 records. Enter. Alright, so let's run PHP artisan serve. So for this, let me refresh our site. Click books. So we have here again, this is around 20 records. So I already show you how the delete is already functioning. So if you want to edit Dr. Elaine Pahak, let's just put the name into Morse. Submit. So here, author Morse has been updated. The author is already Morse. If we click books, here Morse. So basically, what we did right here is just look at the file here. The request. So it's already understandable what request means. So let me. So here basically when you use Laravel Vue.js with Laravel mix, mix means the front end and the back end is just inside the Laravel, instead of using Vue or Angular CLI and then create another folder for front end and another front end back end for the Laravel. So since this is a very wonderful and genius idea of Laravel mix, putting everything back end front end inside the Laravel, which is what we call Laravel mix. So here in our resources, you can click GS folder. In our app.js, you can see here we import some Vue, we use it, and then basically if you look upon here, actually we can make this book create an update to be a children of this one. So we're going to update the codes later, but what I want you to show is the beautiful side. So as what you can observe, when you click create, try to look at this button, the refresh button. See, it doesn't refresh kasi yung website natin is single page application or tinatawag din ng SPA. Imagine how fast the data was. Like for example, kung Laravel project lang to, like without Vue or any front end language or Angular, React, etc., if we're going to click create, maglo-load pa yan. Ito, maglo-load pa yan, diba? When you click books, maglo-load pa rin yan. But since with the power of front end and back end of Laravel mix, ayun, wala na, single page application at napakadali na lang i-code. As what you have seen here, when you want to click the book, ganito lang. Yung looping niya is just bouquet in list. So in Laravel we can just remember it that we are using for each, but in Vue it's just a basic Vue 4, diba? Mas madali na lang. So this project has been uploaded in my GitHub. Here it is. pinoyweb/laravel view mix. Here's the code. Everything, yung ano yung nakikita nyo, nandiyan na yung code. Tapos ito din yung basic preview. You can easily clone here, download, or directly clone using get clone and then the URL. Automatic na siyang ida-download pag meron kang composer. I hope makakatulong itong snippets at some codes na ginawa ko for sa mga programmer na nagsisimula na rin kagaya ko for full stack development, at salamat.